Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a look featuring the Sigma Beauty Disney Alice in Wonderland collection. To start, I'm brushing my brows upwards with a spoolie and then I'm filling in my brows with the Sigma Beauty Fill and Blend Brow Pencil in the shade Medium. Once I'm satisfied with the shape, I'm cleaning up the bottom edge of the brows using the Plouise base in 0.5, and then I'm setting them in place with the Sigma Tint and Tame Brow Gel in Clear. Now let's take a look at the Alice in Wonderland collection, starting with the eyeshadow palette and brush set. The 14-pan palette retails for $59 and includes a dual-ended brush. The brush set includes 5 brushes and 1 sparkly makeup bag for $120. I'm priming my eyelids and then I'm dipping the E45 Max Small Tapered Blending Brush into the matte mint green shade called Mad Hatter. I'm sweeping this into my crease. This particular shade does take some building up, so I dip my brush into the pan several times until I reached my desired color intensity. After that, I'm picking up the matte blue shade called Caterpillar using the E38 diffused crease brush and adding definition into the crease while keeping it lower than the mint green shade. I'm always so impressed with the quality of Sigma's shadows and brushes. If you haven't tried them out yet, I definitely recommend doing so. You can use my discount code TheTaylorCherie for 10% off at sigmabeauty.com. Next, I'm tapping the E27 Detail Blending Brush into the shimmery magenta shade called Cheshire and packing this all over my lid beneath the crease. Now I'm using the same brush to grab the shimmery silver shade called White Rabbit. I'm tapping this onto the center of my lid to make it even more shiny. Moving on to the face, I'm prepping the skin by first moisturizing with the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm, applying the Sigma Beauty Moisturizing Lip Balm, and priming with the Touch and Soul No Poreblem Priming Water. For foundation, I'm using the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hydromanic Tinted Glow Hydrator in shade 10, which I'm applying with the F47 Multitasker brush from the Sigma Beauty Alice in Wonderland collection. Next, I'm applying the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer in the shade 20 and in underneath my eyes and blending that out with a dampened Sigma Beauty 3D HD blender. After setting that in place with the Urban Decay Ultimate Brush Off Powder, I'm contouring with the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Glow using the F40 brush for my cheekbones and around my forehead and jawline, and the E50 brush for my nose. In addition to the eyeshadow palette and brush set, the Sigma Beauty Alice in Wonderland collection also includes a cheek duo featuring a rosy blush called Paint the Roses and a glowy highlight called Tickled Pink for $35. I'm using the F53 Air Contour Blush brush from the collection to apply my blush, and then I'm using the standard F35 brush to apply my highlighter. After that, I'm brushing the Sigma Beaming Glow Illuminating Powder in Fairy Dust all over my face using the super large and fluffy F30 brush and setting everything in place with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Going back to the eyes, I'm using the E54 medium sweeper side of the dual-ended brush from the collection to apply the blue shadow to the outer half of the lower lash line and the green shadow to the inner half of the lower lash line. Next, I'm highlighting the inner corner and brow bone with the White Rabbit shade using the Alice in Wonderland E30 pencil brush. For lashes, I'm first curling my lashes, then I'm applying the Benefit They're Real Magnet mascara and popping on the Kiss Lash Couture Masterpiece Lashes in Avant-Garde using the Kiss Lash Couture adhesive. I'm blending the false lashes with my natural ones by tight lining using the Sigma Longwear eyeliner pencil, and then I'm brightening my waterline with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and applying mascara to my bottom lashes as well. Finally, I'm lining my lips with the Real Her lip liner in the shade I Am Confident. For the last piece of the collection, we have a lip gloss and lip cream duo, which retails for $35. I'm applying the lip gloss in the shade Sinking Violets. And that completes this look. Let me know your thoughts about the new Sigma Beauty Alice in Wonderland collection in the comments below, and don't forget to use my discount code TheTaylorCherie for 10% off your purchase at sigmabeauty.com. See you next time!